So good morning guys. Good morning guys. Good morning. It's been a while. So where are we going, Dylan? Guys, we're going to Forest Camp in Apolong, Valencia. Actually guys, the weather is not really great, but it's humid. Even it's no sunshine. Look. Not really sunshine guys, but it's humid. So the boys are ready. I'm gonna close the gate guys. So we're having fun today going there, and I heard the water there guys is cold because it's from the mountains, you know. It's not cool. So let's see. We've been here for almost 4 years guys, and it's our first time to go in the forest camp today.
Takes one.
And we did not do it again, right?
He said he moved. Of course he didn't move. He said he's moving. But he didn't move. He stayed where he was at. He's in that little old house still.
A lot of bananas over here.
Bananas.
Wow. Oh, and this is Mosque Church over here. Always buy their food guys. Their food is really good. A Filipino local food. It's really good. Their food. I'm gonna get that. So so it's our first time going there because we lived there before, close to the forest camp. 2 years? Yeah, 2 years. But we're always just past, you know, past. We're not, it's not planned. So I'm guessing that's why we did not go. So, my hobby. Okay. Wait lang. No cars, baby. So, we need to look to guys. Wait lang, baby, ha? Wait. They have bikes pa. I guess you're good now. You're good. Slowly. What's happening? So where are we now? I need to look in the other side guys, because make sure that he get past through. What's happening? The police?
Lots of traffic though.
There's a lot of traffic guys. I don't know why. Let's see. Ay, sorry guys. There's a lot of traffic. It's better this to wear It's a lot of traffic here guys, going to Valencia. I don't know why it's a lot of traffic. So we need to wear a seatbelt guys, seatbelt. Oh, sorry. We need to wear a seatbelt because sometimes we have police. See, I told you guys, they have police and we're ready. Because last time we didn't go because we did not wear a seatbelt.
That's not a big one. Well, maybe.
We'll see. We're doing this. No. You know, from the septic tank.
Probably.
Or, you know, from the, where we do the flushing, right?
Yeah, maybe. I don't know.
Oh, yeah, it's not clean. So we see we have a checkpoint over there. So that's why it goes traffic. Yeah. So we're good. We already passed it. No problem. So see you there, guys. See you. So guys, we're already here in Valencia. We're closer to the forest camp. So this way, guys, is forest camp. This way.
You want one?
Yes.
Yes? I want one. It's foggy, baby, you know. Wow, that's the mountain, guys. That's the mountain. Easy. This ano is not running good. Bakit ka nakaba?
Nakaba.
Nakaba? Ano makaba?
Hoping. Oh, that's Bruce. Stop for Bruce, baby. Hello. Hey.
Hey.
How are you, Bruce?
Hi, Bruce.
How's it going?
Yeah. We go. Forest camp. Forest camp. Daddy did not stop that lady. She's upset with us.
I don't know why. I want to get it, but I found something better. That's all there is to it. It's empty.
Oh.
Is it even open?
Are you sure? So guys, we're already here in Forest Camp. We're gonna get inside, guys. We're gonna first park our vehicle in here.
Park
Yes.
over here.
Well, wait, now look at the mountain, guys. There's a pretty vehicle right there. Good morning. So we're here in the reception. Good morning. 600 pesos, sir.
500? Yeah.
The entrance here is 200 for adult and then 170 for the kids like 8 years old below. So I got my stamp over here.
Yes. Yes.
Behave. Sorry over there.
Wow.
What are we gonna do next?
The step.
Otin, bring the bag.
Asan?
And Dylan slippers too. Watch out. Careful the path. And Dylan slipper. Entering area. Ah, babe, did you lock the car?
Yeah.
Okay.
Go.
Look at this.
Ala.
So nice over here. It's a lot of paintings, guys. Very nice.
Ala, ang very nice.
You go ahead, baby. I'm filming.
I know. For a
Wow.
while, you'll be in it.
Pretty.
Ah. Wow, look at the fish. Shit, this is scared.
Wow. Hindi yan gumigat.
Very nice.
Huh? Wala.
Morning. Wow, look at this.
Hello. May little fish, oh.
Yeah, I see.
Nakabibi na fish.
So, asan na nato dalhon? Good morning. Asa man taan?
Hindi mo alam.
Pwede rin bisag sa lingko, di ba? So, I'm gonna tell guys if it's allowed wherever we sit. Oh my god. I feel the breeze. Oh, look at this.
Forest
Rock
Gump.
climbing?
Yeah. What call is this, baby?
Forest
Rock
Gump.
climbing.
Rock climbing? Can people climb
Climbing
over
wall.
there?
Climbing wall.
Can they climb over there?
Without a tether.
Hmm.
Baka mahulog sila. Mahulog sila. Ay, sige. Sige. Wala. 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 Ano na ano?
Morning. Oh my god. Oh, look at this. Yes. It's very nice here, guys. Oh, I like it. Glad we've been here, baby. Oh, we need to leave this, ano? Where we gonna sit? Oh, over there. Oh, you want over there? Oh, you think?
Look over there, stand over there. See there?
That one? Yeah, it's a kubo where kubo here, guys, where you can. Yeah, okay, let's walk around. So, we're gonna tour you guys.
Wala.
Oh, it's very nice here, guys. Ayoko. Oh, this is Forest Camp, guys. Oh my god. Oh, they have also slide. What is that?
Oh, ice cold.
Oh shit. Let's walk around first, you want? See. This water, guys, is come from the mountain, so it's very cold. Yeah, very nice over here. Look at this. See? And then they have also, like, you know, for like what was that for the I don't know what called is this, guys, but you know, like if they want something to play, what calls this, skaters, yeah, like that over there. Where's my hubby? Lakat dito. Ay, pagbaganda ka.
Ayun o. Ayun o. Ayan.
Oh my god, this is very nice over here. Morning. It's a liquid area. Is that falls over there? It's okay. Let's go back now. Oh, careful, ha? Oi, it's a shark, baby. Look at this. Shark? Shark. Morning. Oh, guys, look at this. Saging-saging. Baby, I'm gonna put the things over here. Wow, they're also wishing well here, guys. Look at that.
There's the bridge.
Yeah, the bridge that no water in that one, guys. We have also spa over there. Spa. Goes. You're good. Oh, my love, look like it's not strong. Not for you?
Bakit sa mga ways mo sigado?
Oh my god. It's very scary. Oh my god. Babe! Hey! Look! It's not strong. Guys, I'm scared. It's not really strong. I need to go. Ano na? It's very scary. You saw it? Let's go now. Let's jump to the water.
Yeah. Jump in the water. Daddy. Don't say this is jump in the water.
Okay. Huh? Yeah. Yeah. Interesting. So guys, the bridge is not really strong enough for my hubby. Think so because it's kind of the woods is not great. It's scary tourist life, you know. Yeah. So we're gonna find, guys, a seat, a table to put our things. 4 tables only. 4 tables. Huh? Oh, they have 4 tables there. Huh? Or over here, baby, oh. I saw some coins. Guys, it's very cold.
little warmer over there.
This one? Or go?
I need it.
It's cold, huh?
Oh no! Asan ako pupuwin?
That's for the pool.
Sorry, baby. Are you disappointed?
It's a one-time thing.
Are you disappointed?
Oh, Mama!
Babe, look like that's deeper, huh?
I could find out.
This one is deeper.
Let me find out.
Okay.
Here, baby.
Papa daw, Papa.
Mama! Please attack! Ang naina lang. Ay, baby, pupuwin!
Lakas kay katingog ka. Lakas kay katingog ka. Mura sakit.
Mama, hindi ko tubig. Okay, doktor.
Guys, it's very cold. My Dylan, my little man don't like it. It's too cold for him. Malunggan ka, ha? Diyan ka. Hello.
Oh my God! This is a
Oh my God. My slipper, baby. Ten.
Wonder why they make this dip every 5 seconds. It's low. Something like that?